Alright, use the figure to answer the question. In triangle ABC, point D lies on segment AC and segment BD is perpendicular to segment AC. Which term correctly describes segment BD? Sorry, I have a toddler in the background if you can hear him. So point D lies on segment AC. The only thing we know is that segment BD is perpendicular to segment AC. So segment BD, again, is perpendicular to this whole segment, which is marked right there. So I would just go through these angles. I mean, not angles, the key terms. Perpendicular bisector. If you don't have that, you could definitely just Google it. Perpendicular bisector. A perpendicular bisector is a special kind of segment, ray, or line that one intersects the given segment in a 90-degree angle. Okay, we have that requirement. And two passes through the given segment's midpoint. We don't have that requirement because it's not stated that this segment A to D is the same as this segment, the same length as this segment D to C. So we don't have that one, so it's not a perpendicular bisector. Angle bisector, there was that definition. It was to cut an angle in half. And if you notice, this line BD cuts this angle ABC. However, no information is given about these two angles being congruent or not congruent. So we don't have any information on it being an angle bisector. We can type in median, or let's see in the key terms if median is there. Nope, so again, just Google it. And in geometry. So, align segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite sides. Okay, so again, we don't know that this is the midpoint because we weren't given that the length of AD is the same as the length from D to C, so it's not the median. So it must be the altitude. Let's just verify. An altitude of a triangle is a line segment through a vertex and perpendicular, an example, forming a right angle with a line containing the base, the side opposite the vertex. Okay, so segment AC is the side opposite our vertex, which is our angle ABC right here, angle ABC. This is our vertex, the side opposite it. It is hitting it at a 90 degree, so it is the altitude. So if I didn't have those in my notebook as key terms, I would be Googling them and looking them up on the key terms, and that's how I would answer this question.